store?
Negative, Genie.
But maybe we can. Oh, where a fair, your mother dear is calling.
Who dares tread on hollowed ice?
We come in peace. Our friend is sick.
We just want to go home to Era. We saw the transports and...
Transports? You mean my babies?
Of course, they're eggs.
I send them in gas bubbles up to their father for safekeeping in the forest until spring comes.
Now we'll never get home. I didn't mean any offense.
Never fear, it's just more babies.
Woohoo!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You're a mom?
Yes, I am.